Let's look at what ABC had to say about Fetty Wap getting arrested prior to going to Rolling Loud.
Wap facing federal drug charges after agents arrested the popular artist before he took the stage at Citi Field. The hip-hop artist, whose real name is William Maxwell, was taken into custody with 5 others at a music festival yesterday. One of the suspects is a New Jersey corrections officer. The group is charged with conspiring to distribute fentanyl and heroin across Long Island and New Jersey. Fetty Wap will be arraigned later today in Central Islip, Long Island.
And so they arrested him soon as he showed up to Rolling Loud Festival in New York, one of the biggest, if not the biggest festival that hip hop has to offer. Now, we'll get into why that is kind of unique in itself. Not that people are getting caught at Rolling Loud, but the way they're getting caught at Rolling Loud. Very unique situation. Let's look at one of the other reports, because that was the first report where it was unclear what they had him for. We knew it was the feds. We knew they grabbed 5 people, which mean they knew that he was traveling with a lot of the people that was involved in said whatever situation they claim to have. So let's look at another report to see if they have any more information.
Indictment just unsealed late this morning. As you mentioned, the arraignment will be held this afternoon via teleconference. He was arrested yesterday at Citi Field. It was during a music festival in the afternoon before he performed. He's one of 6 indicted for conspiracy to distribute more than 100 kilograms of controlled substances on Long Island and in New Jersey. And those arrested also include a New Jersey correction officer. Officials say Fetty Wap and others involved transported, distributed deadly and addictive drugs, including heroin and fentanyl on Long Island, deliberately contributing to the opioid epidemic. The multi-million-dollar drug distribution used Suffolk County as their home base. We're told the defendants would get drugs on the West Coast and use the U.S. Postal Service and drivers with hidden compartments to transport the drugs across the country to Suffolk County, where they were stored. Fetty Wap's role, according to officials, a kilogram-level redistributor for the trafficking organization. As part of the investigation, approximately $1.5 million in cash, cocaine, heroin, fentanyl pills, handguns, pistols, and ammo were recovered. This is in Fetty Wap's first run-in with the law. The 30-year-old, whose real name is William Jr. Maxwell II, faced 3 counts of battery after allegedly assaulting employees at a hotel 2 years ago. He was also arrested in 2017 and charged with DUI after police say he was caught drag racing in New York City. The rapper is best known for his 2015 hit Trap Queen. He just dropped his newest project, The Butterfly Effect, a 17-track mixtape in honor of his 4-year-old daughter who passed away in June due to a cardiac arrhythmia. Now, in a statement, Fetty Wap's attorney says, quote, "We pray that this is all a big misunderstanding. He sees the judge today. We're hoping he gets released so we can clear things up expeditiously." And now we reached out to his publicist and also his representative, and we have not heard back. Once again, the arraignment taking place via teleconference later on this afternoon.
I was telling people, there's a market for fentanyl. A lot of people right now are looking for fentanyl. And for me, it's like, damn, how far have we dropped? How far have you dropped, man? Like, you're looking for what's going to do it to you, which, again, the thrill of it is what I'm understood that they're chasing. But it's like, wow, bro. But again, classic case of, in my opinion, just, a couple things going bad.